In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8.0, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, you need to go into Settings. Now scroll down, tap on General Management and go into Language and Input. On-screen keyboard, and your currently used keyboard, in my case Samsung One. Scroll down, tap on Style and Layout. Go into keyboard themes and pick the one that you like the best. I will go with Solid Dark, so now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!